been a hot minute since the last time I posted an unboxing video, and I got a special one for you today. Not just one, but two of these Renaissance collection by KDK ceiling fans. Model 52YAU. They are both antique white finish. These fans came off a marketplace. Spotted the listing, thought I was only getting one. Seller said, "I have two of these in a Litex Celeste." I said, "Would you be willing to cut me a deal on both the Renaissances?" And so we worked out a lower price, and the rest is history. Notice, be sure to match the attached colored dots when assembling the blade frame, and motor. Do not touch painted screws when fixing blade frames. Our instruction manual. Take a quick look at that. Outlet box. Funny how they made it two words. I guess these are translated from Japanese. I like that they even include instructions on rough-in wiring. Something that generally doesn't come with ceiling fans today. Got some funny little pictograms there. Tennessee Fan Company. Interesting. Look, it's interesting how they didn't want people showing the plain side. If you look at these blades, each one has a different colored dot on it. They even put lead tape on in the factory. So they hand balance these at the factory, which I find extremely cool. And then here we have our motor, blade irons, canopy, mounting bits. Start with the small stuff. We got our tassel. Warranty card, some hardware. U-bolt with a bushing. This looks like it could work with a double claw Fasco. I suspect this fan might have been taken out of its box before and at least partially assembled. fans, which have a very unique and intricate design. See if I can do this one-handed. Yeah. These fans are surprisingly heavy. You can see it's got the KDK logo there in the switch cap. Very cool. And I see what they mean now by the painted screws. So that's fan number one. Lock washer. Not sure what that goes to. Make sure I got everything out of the box. You can see these blades have that lovely KDK signature stencil design on them. Stack these up right here. And then put the camera down for a second. Okay. Let's unbox this fan. This is all the same stuff. Pretty sure this one is completely virgin. None of these bags, none of these wrappings are cracked or broken in any way. They even have a pattern on the blade iron feet. It's not something you see on every fan. There we are. remove before install, just in packing. So there you have it. 2 new in the box KDK Renaissance ceiling fans.